Hey YouTube, Maker's Journey here. So I've got this job I'm doing. It's pretty big. I've been working on it for almost 2 weeks now. And it's making these frames that hang. And I'm doing some plug welds to attach these 1/8" plates. It's just decorative. It's for a stage presence. And one of the things I found out halfway through this job is that this is a 60 grit and it's loading up pretty quick and stuff like that. And I checked out some stuff on grinding aluminum, and I stumbled across this video from I think it's Welding Tips and Tricks, and he was using beeswax. And I gotta tell you, this stuff's a lifesaver. It was amazing. And then you just turn it on and just graze it over it really quick. I mean, literally, some of my time that I'm grazing over it's just like this, and that's it. And it'll last maybe, I'm gonna say about maybe 4 or 5 of these plug welds, and then it'll also grind the end of the unit and stuff for me. So you do have to apply it every now and then, but I gotta tell you something, game changer. I'll grind one of these just so you can kind of see it. And what happens when the buildup starts to happen, it gives it this almost like a orange peel look to it. And I'm guessing that's because you're just pushing, metal around it. You're not really grinding it off. But again, game changer this stuff is. Beeswax, go figure, who'd have thunk it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one real quick so you can kind of see what's going on. And I'm gonna show you what I do to load up. Let's see if I can get this in the frame on the beeswax here. Quick grade. That's it. And also you want to be wearing some type of respirator or something. It's better than nothing, I can tell you that right now.
Luke and your father.
Also, don't apply a lot of pressure. Let the grinder do most of the work for you. All right, I do have a little dimple in this one, but I'll try to bring you closer to it so you can see it. It was awesome, I gotta tell you. It saved my life without a doubt, so just on time alone. Please like and subscribe. Later.